I'm uploading on YouTube every single day for 100 days, and today is day 5 of that series. After this, I have another 95 days to go. Why? Why would I possibly be doing this? Well, that is what today's video is about. It's about me discussing why I am uploading for 100 days in a row. Why did I come up with this idea to make every single video unique, consistently, every single day for 100 days? It's commitment. That's straight to the point here. This video, I'm not going to be jabbing around it and be like, well, this and that. No, the serious issue is commitment. It's to prove to myself I can commit to something. I love every aspect of my life, and I love how I'm improving myself every single day. And one thing I've struggled with in the past is quitting. I quit a lot. That's not a lie. Or I used to quit a lot, and I'm not going to quit this series. I have failed in the past. I have failed with businesses and relationships and other aspects of my life. But this series, it's not to prove that I don't know, be an amazing partner or whatever. No, it's nothing like that. I want to do this series to prove that I can commit. If I can successfully do this series, then I can prove that I'm getting out of that rut that I've been in for so long. And I have been. It's been a difficult life for me every single day. Recently it's been mundane, and before that I lived a life. I'm sure if you guys have watched the other videos you'll realise I've lived some sort of life, to be honest with you. And I want to show myself that I can succeed. I want to show that anything is possible if you put your mind to it. And I have a lot of knowledge to share. As I've said, I've lived a life. I've done all sorts of things. And doing this series means that not only is every video going to be different, it means that I can share a different opinion and a different output and a different piece of insider knowledge, not just from my brain, but about anything that I know, to show you guys that there is more to the world and there are other options, or how the heck did that guy know that sort of thing. That's what I want to share. I want to share me. I want you guys to know me on another level, because there's a lot of people who have stuck around on this channel, and it's great. I love it. A lot of people still stick around. I see comments every now and again from seeing me at 18 years old living in a storage unit, or even before then when I was travelling, doing stupid things, and I'm not him anymore. I have evolved, and I'm the next Pokemon. I guess. I enjoy recording. The thing is recording I stopped YouTube for a long time, and I'm sure I'll make a video on that in itself. I stopped for many reasons, and one thing which has always killed me is I actually really enjoy talking to the camera, and I really enjoy editing, and I really enjoy these things. That's why I have another channel where I show my other creations, where I make like well edited videos, and I do that, and it's only got like 3,000 subscribers, but I enjoy doing that sort of thing, and that's what I want to do here. So doing this series, doing the 100 videos, it's the start. It's not the main plot point, it's the start. It's the bare minimum I can possibly do. I can sit here, I can record 100 videos, and I can upload 100 videos. Can I possibly do that? Absolutely I can. And when I hit video 100, I'm going to be very, very happy. And you guys are going to be like, wow, he actually did it. He stuck to 100 videos. And I'm going to be amazed in myself that I edited 100 videos and I recorded 100 videos. Well done to me. But it goes further. I did 100 videos and I enjoyed every single second of it. And I'm going to enjoy every single second of it because I'm enjoying it right now. I'm enjoying recording this video. I enjoy talking to the camera and divulging and explaining and just being me. I enjoy it. You're my only friend at the moment. Life is very cooped up. Life is very cooped up at the moment. And once this series finishes, we're going to be having all sorts of other videos, which is going to be great. Hopefully some travel videos. I have a few countries planned. I have quite a lot planned for 2026, including an operation, which is going to be a great video. I'm not going to set up a camera in the operating theatre, but I just think making a video and that sort of stuff is going to be fun. Showing the before and after and how awful it's been, and showing how life is progressing for me. And this is the bare minimum. This is the reset of me. This is the year of Kuiz. I said that. The year of Oliver. was 2018, and I loved 2018 a lot. 2018 was an amazing year for me, where I did a lot of things and I travelled to a lot of places, and I'm very excited to continue that journey. So yeah, this is the start. It's the start of something new. That's a cat behind me. It's the start of something new, and it's the start of bringing me back out into the world, because I know where I belong. I belong here on Oliver Kuiz. Hello, I am Oliver Kuiz, and I'm a 26-year-old dad who has lived here, there and everywhere, and has had a few stories to tell. And I love it. Absolutely love it. So yeah, here I am. I'm going to record 100 videos. This is day 5. I probably should have done this as day 1, but I didn't. But this is day 5. So enjoy the next few videos, and just, yeah. Honestly, the best thing you can do for me right now is like the video. And if you don't want to click like, I understand. Just click the like button 3 times. That'll tell me off, you know. Subscribe to the channel. Click the bell notification so you can see all these videos and share all these videos and help me in the algorithm. Comment down below anything, seriously. I want to know what your guys' thoughts on me are. That's something. Yeah, I've never asked that. Leave your honest thoughts below of me, because I'm a weirdo with a life. And I don't know, I want to know what people think about me. Do I need a haircut? Probably. But I'm thinking about growing out the curls. Yeah. Thanks, guys. I love every single one of you. Every single view is a hug. I love you all. Seriously, you have no idea how appreciative I am of everyone who watches my videos. Adios, my miss amigos. I shall see you guys all in the next video, which will be up soon. Cal the cat up there says goodbye. Meow. Meow. He didn't even look. If he looked, that would have made an amazing clip. He didn't. Adios. Goodbye. Haha. Love you all.